Today, we're going to learn about solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. There's 8 planets that are revolving around in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. The third planet is Earth, our own planet. The fourth planet is Mars. The fifth planet is Jupiter. The sixth planet is Saturn. The seventh planet is Uranus. The 8th planet is Neptune. This is the farthest planet from the sun. Okay, friends. Bye. Take care. Thanks for watching. Click the red color button to subscribe. Kindly subscribe.